Welcome to Marvel Rivals. Today, we're diving into the world of one of the most adorable and mischievous heroes in the game. Meet Jeff the Land Shark. This lovable little land shark brings flashes of joy and healing to every battle. But don't let his cute appearance fool you. When the tide turns, Jeff can morph into a voracious beast, swallowing an army of foes in one giant gulp. Jeff the Land Shark is a strategist hero in Marvel Rivals. Let's delve into abilities. In Marvel Rivals, Jeff the Land Shark's primary fire ability is called Joyful Splash. This ability allows him to unleash a continuous long-range stream of water that heals allies. The stream has infinite range and can hit multiple allies that are in its path, making it the highest healing per second ability in the game. Joyful Splash, unleash a healing splash. This ability heals 150 health per second, has 100 ammos, and a fire rate of 20 shots per second. The projectile speed is 100 meters per second. In Marvel Rivals, Jeff the Land Shark's secondary fire ability is called Aqua Burst. This ability allows him to launch a high-speed water sphere that bursts upon impact, dealing damage to enemies within range. The projectile creates a spell field that deals area of effect damage when hitting an enemy or a surface. Aqua Burst, launch a high-speed water sphere that bursts upon impact, dealing damage to enemies within range. This ability deals 25 damage per hit and has a fire rate of 1.75 shots per second. The projectile speed is 100 meters per second, and the spell field damage is 40. The range of the spell field is 3 meters in radius. Jeff the Land Shark's ultimate ability is called It's Jeff. This ability allows him to deep dive into the scene and resurface to swallow both enemies and allies within range, activating hide and seek for a brief duration before ejecting the swallowed heroes forward. It's Jeff. Deep dive into the scene and resurface to swallow both enemies and allies within range. This ability deals 25 damage per second to enemies and heals 225 health per second to allies. The duration of this ability is 6 seconds, and it has a range of 5 meters high cylinder with a 20-meter diameter. The energy cost is 4,000. After swallowing allies and enemies, Jeff will deal damage to enemies and heal allies for the duration of the effect, during which they will also benefit from Hide and Seek. Hide and Seek. This ability allows him to dive underground, with only his dorsal fin exposed, vastly decreasing the size of his hurt box. While submerged, Jeff gains increased movement speed, self-healing over time, immunity to all forms of crowd control, and can climb walls. Hide and Seek. Dive into the scene with only his dorsal fin exposed, granting himself a movement boost. This ability heals 35 health per second, increases movement speed by 60%, and grants immunity to crowd control. The cooldown for this ability is 6 seconds. Healing Bubble. This ability allows him to spit a bubble that heals the ally who collects it, granting them a healing boost and movement boost while also launching nearby enemies. Healing Bubble. Spit a bubble that heals the ally who collects it, granting them a 15% healing boost for 4 seconds and a 60% movement boost. The bubble persists on the map for 180 seconds until picked up. Up to 5 bubbles can be placed on the map at once. This ability also knocks back nearby enemies upon activation. In Marvel Rivals, Jeff the Land Shark has a passive ability called Oblivious Cuteness. This ability reduces the damage he takes from critical hits by 50%, making him more resilient in battles. The ability, Frozen Spitball, is a single-cast projectile with a delayed impact that also generates a spell field. It deals 30 damage, lasts for 3 seconds, and has 12 ammos with a fire rate of 1.75 shots per second. The projectile has a range of 5 meters in a spherical radius and travels at a speed of 100 meters per second. While it cannot deal critical hits, the spell field created upon impact deals an additional 40 damage. New Friends. This ability allows Jeff and Rocket Raccoon to ride on Groot's shoulders, granting them 35% damage reduction from all sources. This makes Jeff more resilient in battles and allows him to support his team more effectively. Murr! Growling Jeff the land shark. What's more huggable than a puppy, but hungrier than a great white? It's Jeff. This baby land shark may be one of the most unusual and adorable creatures to ever waddle his way out of the ocean. But anyone who's crossed Jeff's path can tell you that behind his sweet little bark is one nasty bite.
To put on a show! A nice deep freeze.
Born again!
A nice deep freeze.
Thanks for having my time. Assemble!
I'm ready to put on a show! I like the cool. It's the grand A nice deep freeze.
You get away with it! You get away with it! You get away! 3 is the most.
Be strong together. A nice deep freeze. Blow up.
Get down pretty hard.
All my pros. I like the cold.
Up on the down.
Join Jeff the land shark in Marvel Rivals, master his abilities, strategize with your team, and dominate the arena with the power of joy and ferocity.